Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about dividend wealth target calculation for covering family expenses. When your goal is to cover family expenses with dividend income, the first step is to understand how much your family needs every month for essential living costs. This may include housing, food, utilities, education, transportation, healthcare, insurance, and other important household expenses. Once you know the monthly amount, you can turn it into a yearly target because dividend yield is usually calculated annually. For example, if your family expenses are $5,000 per month, multiply 5,000 by 12 months. This gives an annual expense target of $60,000. This is the amount of dividend income your portfolio would need to generate in 1 year to cover those family expenses. Next, use the core formula. Required dividend wealth equals annual expenses to cover divided by net dividend yield. In simple words, you divide the yearly expenses by the expected dividend yield after taxes and fees. This gives an estimate of how much portfolio value may be needed to generate enough dividend income. After that, compare the required wealth at different dividend yields. If the average net dividend yield is 2%, you may need about $3 million. At 3%, the required wealth becomes about $2 million. At 4%, the target is about $1,500,000. At 5%, it becomes about $1,200,000. And at 6%, the target becomes about $1 million. So, higher yield can reduce the required portfolio size, but higher yield may also come with more risk. Then, make the calculation more realistic by adjusting for taxes, fees, and a safety margin. Net yield can be calculated by taking the dividend yield and reducing it by taxes and fees. For example, if the dividend yield is 4%, the tax rate is 15%, and fees are 0.5%, the net yield becomes about 3.4%. This lower net yield increases the amount of wealth needed. Now, using the adjusted formula, required wealth equals annual expenses divided by net yield. So, if annual family expenses are $60,000 and the net yield is 3.4%, the adjusted wealth target becomes about $1,764,706. This shows why it is important to consider real income after taxes, fees, and possible reductions. In addition, you can use a quick shortcut formula. Required wealth equals monthly expenses multiplied by 12, divided by dividend yield or net yield. For example, $5,000 per month multiplied by 12 gives $60,000 per year. Then, 60,000 divided by 4% equals $1,500,000. This means that at a 4% net yield, you may need approximately $1,500,000 invested to cover $5,000 of monthly family expenses. Finally, keep some important reminders in mind. Dividend yields can change over time, so you should review your target regularly. Diversification across different sectors can help reduce risk. Taxes, fees, and inflation can affect your real income, so they should not be ignored. Reinvesting dividends can help your portfolio grow faster, and building a safety margin can help protect your family against unexpected expenses. Overall, this calculation gives you a simple way to estimate the dividend wealth target needed to cover family expenses and plan for long-term financial peace of mind. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.